welcome back to another vlog. Today, I actually just got done with the rehearsal because I'm working this week for the KCAs, the Kids' Choice Awards, which is really exciting. But right now, it is 5:22 p.m. Yes, we are starting the vlog very late. Tonight at 6:30 p.m., I'm going to go to the new Netflix show, Alexa and Katie premiere. Basically, we're gonna go there, socialize, and then like watch a couple episodes of the new series, and I'm super excited. We are currently driving to the place. And it's really cool because it's at Netflix headquarters.
Oh my god, a lot of bottles.
Yeah. I have some like semi-glam makeup going on right now. When I get there, I'll change into my outfit because I don't want my dress to get wrinkled. But basically, I'm just wearing that flower one that I wear like every day now. Just kidding. I just wear it a lot. But I'm wearing that with some boots. And yeah. And mommy's all done up too. Guys, we have made it to the Netflix headquarters. It's in this like really huge building. There's like a bunch of studios, but we're going to park. We still have 30 minutes till the event. I don't know what we're gonna do. I think just get ready for it. I'm pretty sure like the first hour is just like meeting people and like eating food, so. Yeah. I'm wearing my leather jacket and my Kate Spade backpack. We're walking in now. Netflix!
Then I became a
Alexa and Katie. Mine's not focusing. There we go. You're vlogging. Oh, hi.
Camera hug.
If y'all are wondering, we were invited together to go to this premiere. Yeah. We did a promo video. Best friends. Okay.
That's cute.
Hey guys. There's donuts. What are you? We tried like everything. We're on live. And Shaden's eating more fries. We are going into the theater now, and we're going to watch the screen. And I'm really excited. What? Honestly, what is actually heaven? I have so much in my hands. Shaden, I'm loaded. I have so much. Yay! Good job, Shaden. Good job. Ah!
You guys killed it! Oh my god! So good! Oh my god! I'm so shocked.
Oh, stop! We just finished watching them, and they were so fun and good. Make sure to go watch it on Netflix, which will be out on Friday.
Yep, full of candy.
But anyways, now we're leaving.
Yeah,
so...
we are. We're leaving.
Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Oh, okay. Bye, Shaden. I will see you guys in my next video. Oh, look, there's the Netflix sign. Love you guys so much. Bye!
End your vlog, girlfriend.